Assalamualaikum, and hello YouTubers. Pro 2 is here. Today I will share with you guys on how to adjust a handbrake that is too much to pull. Even if you have pulled it to the maximum, still the handbrake can't grip well. We will count how many clicks to pull this handbrake. "10 clicks and it's too long to drag." Plus the car can still move even though the handbrake has gone up to maximum level. So, this time I will show you how to adjust this handbrake. And it should be like this. Only 2 or 3 click, this handbrake already in a good grips. First put something in front of your tire. This will keep your vehicle in a static state and not moving. Lower the handbrake. To make it easier for me to explain which component to adjust, I will take out the tire. You will see more clearly in detail on how to done this DIY project. Actually, you can adjust the handbrake without take the tire out. The tires that were taken out earlier, put it under the vehicle. This is for safety purposes. Behind this drum brake, there is a black plastic cover. Inside there is a small gear, and it can be adjusted by using a screwdriver. To make the handbrake more grip, slowly push the gear down. I will open this drum brake so we can see clearly inside it. Test first the results. Perfect. With only 2 or 3 clicks the handbrake already grips the tires well. Put back the black rubber at the same place. Reinstall the tires. Down your car. After this, we will adjust the left side handbrake. Jack the left side of the car until the tires are hanging. The purpose we done this is to make it easier for us to check if the handbrake are already grip the tires or not. The handbrake has been pulled up. Test by pushing the tire by hand. The left side of the tires also needs to be adjusted. Adjust the small gear 3 or 4 times or more, and check if the handbrake grips well enough. Do the same process until the handbrake has gripped the tire well. And here is the result. Just only 2 or 3 clicks. The handbrake are already in standby mode. Okay gang, until we meet again in the next DIY project. Bye bye. Use this information at your own risk. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of any tools and equipment, or from the information contained in this video, the user must take responsibility. If you think this video helpful for you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. May the force be with you. Pro to DIY.